Today's class is step deviation method. Day before yesterday we learnt about the assumed mean method. Now we are going to discuss about step deviation method and how to solve the problem in step deviation method. So for this, the formula to find the mean in the step deviation method is mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. It is the formula to find the mean in the step deviation method. So in these two new things are there which is not known by you. First one is ui and second one is h. First of all, h means height of the class. First one is height of the class, and ui means we will find ui by the formula xi minus a by h. Xi minus a by h. Okay, these are the two new things in this formula. So now how can we find the height of the class? Just before going to the step deviation method, before going to starting the class, those who are new to my channel, before there is a subscribe button below your video, so please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Okay, now we have to find how can we find the height of the class. For this, for example, I am taking a normal class 0 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25. Okay, no, it's I think 1 to 5. Okay, these are the class intervals. These are the class intervals. We have to find h. How can we find h? We have to find h. For these, you have to subtract the two successive lower limits or upper limits. Means if you have to subtract from these to these, or these to these, or these from these to these, you will get the h. Means h equal to either 6 minus 1, it is also 5, or 11 minus 6, it is also 5, like this. Not only this, it is also, if you subtract these two successive upper limits, values of two successive upper limits also, you will get the h value. Okay, means h, height of the class, is equal to difference of two of any two successive lower limits or upper limits. For inclusive classes also same procedure. Telugu medium class is 544. Telugu medium class is 545. Just for only today, English medium class is 5 p.m. because I have a meeting at 6:30. Otherwise, English medium class timing is 6:30 only daily. Telugu medium class timings are 5:45. Right. It is the formula to find the height of the class. Height of the class. Okay. Right. Now we will take one example, then you will get idea. Class interval and frequency. So for this 0 to 2, we are taking same problem and also checking whether these three answers are right or not. 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Now frequency. What are the frequencies? One, one, two, one, five, 6, 2, 3. It is the example problem. Find the mean of the above data using step deviation method. Using step deviation method. In this problem also you have to you have to prepare a table. Which one is most important in statistics? So we will make a table. First one and second one are the same values which are given in this problem. Class interval, it is the first column. Frequency, it is the second column. After that, you all aware about that mid values, and after that di, after that ui, finally fi into ui. For step deviation, you have to make the table with 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one is class intervals. Second one frequencies, or we can call it as fi. And after that mid values. After that what? Di, deviation. How can we find deviation? Xi minus a. Xi minus, next after that ui. You have a formula for ui. Xi minus a by h. Means the value you get from here, you have to divide with h. Finally, fi into ui. You have to multiply this column and this column. You will get the final one. So move on to class interval. Just copy these two rows as these two columns: 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. And frequencies: 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. After that, mid values. Mid value means middle value of each class. We all aware about the mid value. You have to add upper limit and lower limit and divide with 2. 0 plus 2 by 2. So the mid value of first class is 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These are the mid values. Up to these column also we prepared same table. That's why I am writing these values. Now you have to find di is equal to xi minus a. Xi minus a. For these, what is xi? 1. Okay, first of all you have to pick a value. I am taking the highest frequency mid value as a. Otherwise you have to take any value, there is no change. If you take any value as a means assumed mean, there is no change in the problem. You need not to worry about that. Okay. Now instead of these also, if you take instead of these, it's a 6, you know. Instead of these also, if you take this, no change in the answer. Okay, right. Now we have to find xi minus a. Here xi is how much? 1. 1 minus, we take assumed mean as 7. That's why 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. After that, xi value of this class is 3. 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. Here 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. 7, xi value also 7 and assumed mean also 7. That's why 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Here xi value 9. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Up to this column we learn about in the previous class. Now here one more new column is there called ui. The formula for ui is xi minus a by h, means this value by h. Now tell me what is the value of h? We have to find the value of h here. So for this, how can we find the value of h? H means, just before starting the class, now tell me what is, send you the answer of h in the comment box. What is the h value? Right, height is 2. Otherwise you subtract this minus 2 minus 0, or if you take 6 minus 4, or here also if you take 14 minus 2, these are all values gives the height. So height is equal to 2. So now here ui means xi. What is the value of xi minus a is minus 6 by h. H value is how much? 2. So if you cancel in 2 table, 2 ones are 2 minus 3. So you will get the answer minus 3. After that, the xi minus a value of this is minus 4 by h means 2. 2 ones are 2 minus 2. So minus 2. Here minus 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 by 2, 0 by 2 means 0. If you divide 0 with any number, the answer is 0. Here 2 by h value is 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So answer is plus 1. 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Answer is 2. 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Now finally we have to find sigma, because in the formula two things are there, sigma Fi Ui and sigma Fi. So for this I have to find sigma Fi. Sigma Fi value means 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So sigma Fi value is 20. You have to find sigma Fi Ui here. Before going to this, you have to multiply the Fi values with Ui values. Now tell me what are the Fi value here. 1 into Ui value is minus 3. 1 minus 3 is a minus 3. 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. 5 into 0. 5 zeros are 0. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. After that we have to find a summation. Summation means sum of these total values called summation Fi Ui. So for this you remember one thing, here add these negative values. How much you will get? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 7, minus 1, minus 8 plus 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 9, 19. Here you have to subtract. So what will you get? This symbol also most important, because sometimes you will get negative value also. So for this the value of this is how much? 11 plus 11 sigma value, because symbol is also very much important. So you have to find x bar value. The formula for x bar in step deviation method is a plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi. Sigma Fi into h. For these, now tell me what are the values of a value is how much? 7. Sigma Fi Ui value here 11. Sigma Fi value 20. H is equal to 2. Now substitute all the values. X bar is equal to a means 7. 7 plus 11 by 20 into 2. For this, here 2 you will cut in the 2 table. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So 7 plus 11 by 10. 7 plus, if you cut in the 10th table, it becomes 1.1, isn't it? So the answer is 8.1. X bar is equal to, the answer is 8.1. Okay, if we solve this same problem in a step deviation, in a direct method, and also in assumed main method, and also today we solve this in step deviation method, we get same answer. Okay. So it is the step deviation method. Now move on to move on to next one, an important problem. Okay, I'm taking one more problem. Wait for 1 minute. I am taking one more problem. In 14.1 exercise, Yeah, here one important problem. Observe this problem. See, it's the problem is there. The here mean is also given. We don't want to find the value of mean. Okay, we don't want to find the mean, but we want to find the frequency of the, here one number is missing like this. Here it is given as a variable f, so we have to find, it's the most important problem. Okay, we will take seventh problem also. Okay, we will take seventh problem also. Okay, after this problem we will solve seventh one also. Now for this problem, following distribution is given and also mean is also given. For these, mean is equal to how much? 18. Mean is given. You have to find the value of f. We have to find the frequency of the class 1921. Okay, right. So same procedure, we will prepare a table. It consists 6 columns. First one is class interval. Second one is frequency. Third one mid values. Fourth one DI values. Fourth one DI values. Fifth one UI. Sixth one FI UI. Class interval, frequency, mid values, DI deviation, xi minus a. For UI, the value also we can write it like this also, di by h also, because di is given here. After that, fi into ui. Fi into ui. So here class intervals 11, 13, 13, 15, 15, 17, 17, 19, 19, 21, 21, 23, 23, 25. Frequency, see, 7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5, 4. After that, mid value. For these problem, mid value means middle value. You can because here difference is very low, that's why the mid value of 11 and 13 is 12. 13 and 15 is 14. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. After that, you have to take the assumed mean. Here I am taking a largest frequency contains mid value as A. Need not to take this one only. Just for the sake of a method, I am taking 18 as A. After that, di means xi minus a. So xi means how much? 12 minus 18, that is equal to minus 6. 14 minus 18 minus 4. 16 minus 18 minus 2. 18 minus 18 0. 20 minus 18 2. 22 minus 18 4. 24 minus 18 6. Okay. After that, here ui means di by h. Di is how much here? Minus 6. Minus 6 by h, 11 minus 13 2. So you will get minus 3. 2 minus 3 is the. After that, minus 4 by 2 minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 minus 1. 0 by 2 0. 2 by 2 1. 4 by 2 2. 6 by 2 is 3. If you observe in step deviation method, these column is same as it is for each problem. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. If it contains any one more class, it becomes 4. So here you have to find multiply Fi value with ui. So 7 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 21. 6 into minus 2 is equal to minus 12. 9 into minus 1 is equal to minus 9. 13 into 0 is equal to 0. Here important thing is f is there. So f into 1 read as f only. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Now observe this important thing. Here you have to find the sigma fi. Same procedure. 4 plus, first you add the numbers, after that add with the f. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 13 is 22. 22 plus 9, 31. 31 plus 6, 37. 37 plus 7, 44. Plus here f is there. So 44, you have to write 44 plus f. It's most important. Once more, 7 plus 6, 13. Here 7 plus 6, 13. 30 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 35. 35 plus 5, 40. 44 plus f. Here also you have to add the same procedure. Sigma fi ui. For this, add positive numbers. So 10 plus 12, 22 plus f. After that, how much? Minus 12 minus 9 minus 42. So you will get fi minus ui is equal to, here f If you subtract 22 minus that is f minus 20. Okay, it is 22 f 9 plus 2 11 12, right, or we can write minus 20 plus f also, right. Here the procedure is something different. X bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. It is the formula. For this, here in the problem itself, x bar value also given as 18, and a value, we took a value as 18. Sigma fi ui value is f minus 20 or minus 20 plus f, both are same. Sigma fi value is 44 plus f and h value 2. Substitute all these things. Here 18 is equal to a value also 18 plus f minus 20 by 44 plus f into h value 2. Here do one thing, just transpose 18 to LHS, then you will get, it's most important, otherwise it's lengthy. 18 minus 18 is equal to f minus 20 by here into 2 is there, 44 plus f. Now 18 minus 18 how much? 0 is equal to, if you multiply with this one, 2f minus 2 into 20 40 by 44 plus f. Now here if you transpose these to this, it becomes multiplication. 0 into 44 plus f is equal to 2f minus 40. It becomes 0 is equal to 2f minus 40. After that 2f is equal to minus 40, transpose becomes plus 40. So f is equal to 40 by 2, 2 ones are 2 20s are. So the missing frequency f is equal to how much? So instead of f, the value f is equal to 20. Right. Okay. Because I have Telugu medium class 5:45, so I am closing here. We will solve 7th problem tomorrow.